Who's gonna take Fabian for Christmas? One of you say some. Say some. Take him. Mama need to go out for 2 weeks only. I need to take care of Binne. Can your mother ever? Your girlfriend better look like me when she's my age, or else.
You're catfishing. Why are you catfishing YouTube, bro? Why are you always catfishing?
I'm not catfishing nobody.
The minute you turn off that recording, you're gonna search up the wig and then take up the eyelash.
Well, you know I'm pretty.
No, you can't.
Ain't slashing nothing.
You're catfish.
I'm pretty.
You're catfish.
Woo! It's Vlogmas. Vlogmas.
No.
I look pretty.
You're catfish.
I am deliciously pretty.
No.
If your girlfriend is not this pretty, don't bring me no ugly. Don't bring me no ugly grandbabies.
I want her to be
no ugly brown babies.
I want her to be natural.
I need pretty brown babies. Another day in the Vlogmas. Let's document this process. Hitting it 25 day of Christmas. And welcome to my channel. It's another day and another Vlogmas day. So let's do this. Let go. The body actually needs a break. Don't be scared to take a break. If you're a content creator, let me know how this Vlogmas experience is going for you. Do you like it? Are you feeling it? Are you already in the groove? Are you one step ahead? You know what I'm saying, right? So today, actually, I'm going to work right now, and then after work, I have a couple of errands to run. Oh boy, why they smell the bread? Now come even get back. Trouble when they smell bread. The bread. What would I eat? It's bad?
Yes.
The bread is bad. How is bread bad? Bread I just bought. November 20. November 28, 2020. Bread is bad. Americana, bread is not bad. We heat it up. Oh, nothing they spoil. Heat it up. My money can always. My $2.99. Let's heat it up. Yeah. Okay. Man must work. Food must enter. You must swallow. If you don't swallow, what do you gain? You no gain nothing. Man must work. Oh, man must chop. Man must chop. Food must enter. You must swallow. So your MCM is eating, and his tortoise are busy. His tortoise they look their master, where their master they eat. Hey CJ! CJ is my favorite. Yeah, I just stopped by to buy gas in this car. Hey Kwe. I put on my face mask before I go inside and pay. No max, no service. Ooh, gotta do it yourself. Oh, nobody's gonna do it for you. And we're getting regular. Okay. And then best thing is to just do this. This is what I usually do though. And you just start counting. So we're buying gas. Current situation, we need gas to go to where we are going to. This is where I was aiming to visit today, so I can purchase some pans and you guys know those stove cooker. But see the line outside, it's all the way wrapped around the building. If I ever ask you what I want for Christmas, buy me this. This is my original Christmas pata. See the price. 12 pack for $24. Buy it for me. I want it. Mother care. See the pink one. Are they hot? See the blue one. Who wants me? Oh yeah, Fabian and Mom. All day. Anyone you do is Fabian and Mom.
still rocking that brown. I'm at this store where they sell things for real cheap. I came to explore and to check out my options and see what they have. Sorry, they have the spoons over 12 inside for $6. Like 12 pack of spoons. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And it's heavy. These ones are heavy. Wow, not bad, not a bad idea. I'm looking at, I came for these. This is why I came here. It's actually $10. Yeah. The name of the place is called Vicent's. International Quality Houseware. Vicent's. That's the name of the place. So this one is better to wash. Oh, the shiny one. I feel like the shiny one is gonna get dirty fast, but I don't like the cover.
Me too.
I don't like the cover. But I want the big one. Do they have the big one like this? I like the big one. Oh, it's not the same.
Maybe this one is different. If I open one, I need to see how the cover is here.
Yeah.
It's $10.
That $10 is not bad, but it's too small for me. By the time I put something, it will be full. I like to get the big one like this.
I want the aluminum stick one.
I haven't seen this in years. This is one of those hand model that you use to blend like your egusi or no. I haven't seen. That time I saw this was in Nigeria in the market. Now you can actually buy it and have it for you. Ooh. Hey, I don't break my that's in heavy. Jesus Christ. And it's actually a corn grinder for $20. Hey, quick. Just go market and go do it for you. See here. Go do it for you. Oh, go market for Nigeria. I know me some more. If you don't know this as Nigeria person, you don't know anything. Taking you down memory lane, guys. I know you missed this. Respect. When you just want picking, you put your picking napkin inside. You go all the shine like say, if you be a window, a teen day, see this other one. Us know. See our national anthem for Nigeria. Full plus. I'm in China, guys. I'm in Chinatown. Visiting you live and direct. This is pretty cool too. If you want your bathroom to look fancy, see water even there inside. Hey, I find trouble. I like to find trouble. These are things you miss in Nigeria. Oh, that's a beautiful land for $15. Pretty cool. I'm done picking up the items. It's a big warehouse, guys. Let me give you guys a look at 350. Pretty big. Pretty big. See a lot of people. So I picked up what I want to pick up. Let me take my bum home before they catch me recording. Hey, they get bucket too, and the bucket where they get cover. Bang aluminium bucket. See you get better cover like this, eh? See the bucket. Hey, you know, I remember when I carry bucket go bath. Hey whoa. I carry my backyard, they go out so they come beat me for your deal. If I tell you guys that they sell hair for $2, believe me. See, they have a pack of dreadlocks. I'll tell you, they say 6-pack of dreadlocks for $10. Let's see the pack. This is the pack. It's actually crochet though. Natural jumbo twist. It's actually crochet though. Natural jumbo twist. 6-pack for $10. I see the way they tie them. It's not bad. 6-pack, your hair don't complete now for $10. There you go. Kind of mommy water here you want to do, you know, go feed you. Christmas, people. This one too. It's 6 pack for $15. It's not bad though. Crochet hair. Not bad idea. Oh, go find trouble for that section. If I change my mind, I'll call back because they have a lot. So, all about Fabi and her mom all day. Wow. That's the reason why. Once you put on this mask, your lipstick is gone. And so you'll be like, why did you even do makeup, Seth? But other than that, just got up, walk, and went to the store to do a lot of sightseeing because I did not buy nothing. A lot of window shopping because I did not buy nothing. I was window shopping. The body actually needs a break. Don't be scared to take a break. If you're a content creator, let me know how this Vlogmas experience is going for you. Do you like it? Are you feeling it? Are you already in the groove? Are you one step ahead? You know what I'm saying, right? So today, actually, I'm going to work right now, and then after work, I have a couple of errands to run, and then I have to take my friend to the airport properly. The sun hit good. Ooh, sun kiss. See that glow, that beautiful baby girl. Woohoo! Born on a Sunday morning. Freshy, freshy, freshy. Freshy, beautiful girl. Wow, I love the Vlogmas experience. The editing is like nothing. I'm learning new skills on editing that I think will be good for January as well. So, woo! That glow, baby girl, fine. I be fine, girl, B1, I be fine, girl, B2, I be fine, girl, B3, I be fine, girl, B4. I be fine, girl, right now. I'm fine, girl, every day. So catch up with you guys later, okay? Enjoy the.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye, guys.